difficulties. Maybe me and my husband, we can be going through the same problem, but not the same medication might cure our problem or might solve our problems. Okay, so just have this in mind that everybody have a different body. Okay, everybody have a immune system, or our organs are very different. So what might work for me might not work for you. What might work for somebody might not work for me. So always have this in mind, that this product might work for me but might not work for you. Maybe some of the products might work for me, may not work for me, but might work for you. Hello everybody, you are highly welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anastasia Patience. I am a guide to wellness and emotional well-being. If you want to learn more about practical and effective way to find peace and balance in life, or if you just want to expand your knowledge, then hit the subscriber button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future video ever again. And if you are new, I highly welcome you. Please be patient, watch the video up to the end, and if you like it, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's free, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, I highly appreciate your time, your love, and your support. And most of all, thank you again for tuning it back to my channel, family. I appreciate you so much, and I love you so much. Today, family, I'm going to answer and explain a little bit about the question people has been asking me. I have been receiving calls and messages this time. People say that I have gained weight. People said you are looking beautiful. People said you are smiling so much. People said you don't have problem. People said everything is okay. I have receiving all kind of messages. Okay. Those who knows me know how I was, what difficulties I went through. So I would really like to give explanation to those who has been asking me and those who are saying that I have gained weight. Well, maybe, I don't know, but maybe yes, I have gained weight. I think yes, because there are some of my clothes are not fitting me anymore, so that means I have gained weight. Okay, so that means I have gained weight. Maybe, yeah, you are right. Okay, but I don't know, I'm not eating too much, but it may be because I have changed the way I'm thinking, or I think, you know. Today's video, I will make it the health issue part 2. Okay, I said it in my previous video that I'm going to keep saying my story until I don't know where it goes, but today is going to be the part 2 of my health issue. Okay, so as I said it on my previous video, that my excitement, my laughing, my enjoyment is a form of appreciation. Okay, that means I am overexcited. I am overjoyed. You know why? Because now no more tears. When I say no more tears, means no more tears at night. Before, I used to cry at night just because of pains. You know, somebody texted me last week that what product do I use? Okay, so now let's be serious. Okay, how did I recover? I recover through a product called Forever Living product. Okay, Forever Living product. So since I said in my previous video that if you didn't see the video yet, I will highly ask you, I will put a link down below so you can have a look of the video. You can watch the video, and also the link of the product is there. You can also search we have about almost 340. You have a lot of product that you can get some, your son, your daughter, your family, your friends. I mean, it's for children and grown-up, old ladies and old men. So it's a product that everybody can get his or her product from there. Okay, there's a lot of product, but I am going to explain to you now which product I used when I was going to go to Israel, although my body was not responding. You know, as I said in my previous video, that when I had this surgery, my body was crushed. I was really crushed down, and the pains was so much. I could not do anything. I depend on human being. I know I depend on people, and they were really sad and hard for me because I couldn't do things that I used to do before. But thanks God, when this product, I came across this product, at least I am at peace now. If I tell you that the pains has reduced, yes, the pains, I am painless now. It's not all 100%, but according to the doctor, I said that I was going to have a long-term medication. But thanks God, this product has really helped me. So since people have been asking me, I want to explain. And also someone visited me and the person was complaining about body pain. So I gave a few tablets. I mean, I just gave a little bit just for the person to go and try. And when the person tried it, after 3 days, the person told me that there is a change in the body, in his or her body. So I just want to address the product, what really helped me out, so that maybe you are also going through these difficulties. You can have a look. Maybe it might be good for you. Okay, so it's not something that, you know, a product can be good for me, cannot be good for somebody. Maybe I may be going through difficulties. Maybe my husband can be going through difficulties. Maybe me and my husband, we can be going through the same problem, but not the same medication might cure our problem or might solve our problems. Okay, so just have this in mind, that everybody have a different body. Okay, everybody have a immune system, or our organs are very different. So what might work for me might not work for you. What might work for somebody might not work for me. So always have this in mind, that this product might work for me but might not work for you. Maybe some of the products might work for me, may not work for me, but may work for you. Okay, this is what happened, because this product, I have tried a lot of these products, but I selected those that work for me perfectly. Okay, because for example, I will show you my face next time in the next video. In my face, okay, on my face, if I show you how I was before and now, you will not believe it. But we are not going to talk about my face today. Today we are going to talk about the whole body, how I recover, how I regain my smile and my happiness back. Okay, this is what we are going to talk about today. So first thing is that, because I was having inflammation the whole body, you know, when you have a surgeon, the surgeon means, because it was not only one surgery, it's a lot of surgery. I have did 5 surgeries. So imagine, my body was crushed down. So the body become full of inflammation. Okay, so I was full of inflammation, means the body has internal soul. Okay, internal soul. So then I have to find something for inflammation, and then also I took something for blood circulation. Okay, blood circulation, and also vitamin C. I take some vitamins. The vitamin is for kids. Okay, and also grown up also can take it. It's really good, especially at this winter time. Every house needs this kids vitamin in the house. Okay, and then the third one is, we call it Move. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you now. This is what helped me. This is Move, Forever Move. So let me see if you can see it. That's how it looks. That is Forever Move. Inflammation. Okay, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. See, that's how it looks. I will put, so this it has 90 tablets. Okay, it contains 90 tablets. And if your situation, if you have, you know, and also the good thing about it is that it has been approved by doctors. So even if you have any issue, you can ask your doctor before you take it. If you want, you ask your doctor. If your doctor approves it, you take it. But also, if you want, you can read it, and if you think it's good for you, you can take it. Okay, because I have helped many people with this. Because before I talk about it, I am saying this because many people are asking me, how did I recover? Because 4 or 5 years back, those who knew me, know how I suffered and how the body was and how my body is now, because there is a big change in my whole life this time. So I am really happy and I appreciate this product so much. It takes me 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. So you can see how many years now I feel like I'm ready to talk about this product. Okay, so now I am talking about this product. So yeah, this is how it is. This is move and it's for inflammation. Okay, it's for inflammation. It's 90 capsules and the price is affordable, very good. And also there is a discount if you want it. It's a discount if you want it for yourself. There is a code. You just inbox me, I give you the code, you go and buy it yourself. I don't sell it. Okay, I just introduce it to you. You just order it, they will bring it to you wherever you are at your home. They will bring it, and I think that is it. That there's nothing good than this. Okay, and this is like omega-3 fat oil. The fat this is Acti C, if you can see it, forever Acti C, Actic C. Okay, that's how it look. And also this is and also fish oil. Okay, it's fish oil, omega-3, and it's also 120 capsules. Okay, it's 120. Let me see if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's 120 capsules, and also it's good for blood circulation. And also, you know, you people, those who know that omega-3 is something that the body needs. So yeah, that's what I took. This is what helped me. And last of all, okay, this is aloe vera gel, forever aloe vera gel, forever aloe vera gel. This is 97%, oh, it's 99.7 aloe vera gel, natural. Okay, it's a 99.7% aloe vera gel, preservative free, sugar free. Okay, so the link, I will put the link down and you can search it. Click on the link and search it, read it. There is a PDF. Okay, there is a PDF. There is a PDF. You read it and you see the use of the product, and it's explained a lot of things. If you don't understand something, you can ask your daughter, you can text us, you can inbox us. And it's something that this product is all over about 120 countries. And especially in America, it's too cheap in America. Okay, in African countries, yeah, the price is a little bit high because of the currency. So in America, in other Europe and America, the price is a little bit okay, but America is more cheaper because the company based in America. So if you are in America, you are lucky. You are just going to get it very easy and very affordable price and quick as well. So that is what those are the products that helped me. Okay, there's another one that is called what do you call it, freedom. There's another one called freedom. That one is for the specific people that have arthritis. Okay, arthritis. So anyway, there are lots of products in the company for facial, beauty, vitamins, weight loss. There are so many. If even lipid, if you have a lot of things. If you want to grow your hair, if you want to grow your nails, anyhow you want it, you can find everything for kids, for grown-up with these companies. Okay, why did she always say that she has a lot of pain? Yes, I did several surgery. Okay, this surgery caused me so many problems, and also somebody also caused me pains. So it means it's all mixed together. But yesterday we talked about health issue. Today we are going to talk about how did I recover. This is what I'm going to talk about today. How did I recover? So I said yesterday, I want you to subscribe. Okay, just make me a favor. You see the red buttons there? Press on it, subscribe, leave your comment, and try your best to share with somebody, because my grandmother said sharing is caring, caring is sharing. So if you care about somebody and you don't share anything with the person, means you don't care about the person. And also the subscriber button is free. You just press it and then you subscribe. Okay, so I highly urge you, don't forget to subscribe. So if you like this video, please kindly give it some up. Don't forget subscribe and leave your comments down below. The comment section is all yours. It's free. Try your best. Leave me your thoughts and your opinion, and I will really reach you back. I love you, but God loves you more than I do. Do share this video with for me, okay? Maybe somebody might be struggling with her face, her body, her inflammation, the other, and there. But sharing this video may help somebody. So God bless you so much as you share this video, okay? And thanks for you so much for watching, having time for my video. God bless you. I will see you in my next video. But before then, stay safe. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.
Watching Patience TV, BTV, Patience, Move Mountains.